guys, welcome to today's video. If you've been here before, then hey, welcome back. If you haven't and this is your first time, then welcome to my channel. My name's Sheeran and I talk about all things kind of beauty, fashion, fitness related, all that kind of jazz. So if you haven't been here before and you don't want to miss any of my videos, please hit the subscribe button and be sure to not miss out on anything that I post. Now, it was my birthday a couple of days ago, so I wanted to do a quick kind of haul video, like a what I got for my birthday video. So I was 29, which is like I'm clawing on to the last years of my 20s. I'm like, no, I'm not going to be 30 just yet. Does anyone else do that, or is that just me? Anyway, so I want to share with you guys what my closest kind of family and friends have got me, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Now, I asked for a few random bits this year, so you have to bear with me. Okay, first up, let's start with my amazing friend Claire, who, by the way, makes the most amazing cakes. I'm going to post a picture of my cake that she made for me this year for my birthday. Oh my god, it was absolutely insane. It had like Kinder Bueno and like Kit Kats on there, and oh, just like all sorts of chocolates, like Oreos, all that sort of stuff, and of course cream eggs because it's coming up to Easter. So just the best thing ever, and that got absolutely demolished. So thank you, Claire, for making my cake. Oh my gosh, you are an absolute legend, and I will pop her Instagram below so you guys can check her out. She is absolutely amazing and she's local in Nottingham if any of you guys want to use her. So, shameless plug there, but anyway, she's incredible. She also bought me the most amazing book. Now, I couldn't decide what to ask for my birthday, and she was like, she's so creative. So she gave me this, which is by The Lonely Planet, and it's the ultimate travel list. So this is the 500 best places on the planet ranked. So essentially there's just so many different things like worldwide that you can go to. Things like Niagara Falls, the Golden Gate Bridge. It obviously like puts it into different kind of places, so as in different countries and stuff. There's like Auschwitz, which is what I did when I was in Poland. So oh my gosh, this is incredible because I have such a travel bug. So if you're like obsessed with traveling like me and you want to plan your next trip and you don't know where to go but you want to see like the main bits of the city, something like this is so perfect. So thank you, Claire, so much. I'm definitely going to be planning my next trip. I'm so excited. Okay, next up, let's do from someone very special. My friend called Michelle. She got me a lovely little, because for work I kind of have to use like travel-y bits. I know I've been super secretive with you guys about my work, but I really can't tell you what I do. Anyway, aside from obviously YouTube, of course, so I've got like a little travel mug, so I love this. This is really cute. I don't actually know where it's from, but it's like a little bird's mug, so I'll try and like link something similar below, and then you can just put hot drinks in there. And then also, which I love, is this bamboo eco mug, and it's like a protective sleeve. So this one says, "Good to go, Holly, you've totally got this." So it's personalised, and I just really loved that. So it obviously will go over the top of said mug, and so cute. I can use that on my travels, and I just love it. Obviously I'm travelling like constantly, so I love that. Okay, next, I did mention that I went to Auschwitz in Poland a few weeks ago, and my friend, another friend Claire, got me the most amazing book. She said, you have to read this, it's absolutely amazing. If any of you guys are interested in that kind of history, I've been there, or if any of you guys are just kind of interested in that kind of time period, then this apparently is meant to be amazing. It's a Sunday Times bestseller, and it is The Tattooist of Auschwitz, and it's just meant to be absolutely incredible. It's a true story, and it's all to do with kind of obviously what this person experienced while they were in there, but I think they met someone. It's kind of like a love story, so it's not just kind of doom and gloom, it's also like love as well. So yeah, apparently it's really great, so I'm definitely going to be reading that one, and that one is by Heather Morris. I feel like my lighting in here is just shocking today, but I have tanned because it's my one day off, and I will tan on my day off, so I'm sorry if I look really tanned, you guys, but we're just going to have to roll with it. Okay, next up, let's talk about something that my sister got for me. Oh my gosh, she's so funny, I love this. She's so random because she saw that I had this already, and so she was like, I didn't know what to buy you. So essentially I have bought my mum and my sister a present for their birthday. It's the same thing because, you know, that's just kind of the family that we are, and I really want the same thing. So my sister was like, what do you want for your birthday? So I was like, I can't tell you until I've given it to you and to mum. So once they get theirs over the next couple of weeks, because it's Becky, my sister's birthday, this Saturday, and then a week after it's my mum's 60th birthday, so it's like the big one. So yeah, I can't tell them until I've given it to them. So Becky was like, right, I need something for you to open on the day of your birthday. So anyway, she loves how random I am with my home decor, and she decided to get me these. So these are from George, and I saw them and freaking love them. I always kill any kind of plant in my house, so I bought this kind of llamery thing, and it's got like a fake cactus in the back. I just love it. And then also this coppery kind of cactus, so I put the two together up in my bathroom. And then also I've got fake cactuses everywhere because obviously, as I say, I did normally kill them. So Becky got me this amazing like copper kind of pot with fake sort of cactusy plant in the top, so I can't kill them. Amazing. I was finding it was really difficult because I put them in the bathroom where there's no light, there's no natural light, so they were all just dying. So my orchids and everything in there just die all the time. So fake cactuses, and especially llama cactuses, are the freaking way forward. So amazing, Becky, like you are the best. Okay, then moving on to what Mum got me. So Mum knows how much I love my candles. So from Next, she got me this amazing, I think it's called pomelo and ginger. Something like that, or pomelo. Anyway, it smells incredible, and it's a really pretty kind of marble effect, pinky sort of pot. So once you kind of burn that down, you can use that afterwards. You can even make your own candles and put them in there afterwards, or you can use it for something afterwards, but I just, yeah, really liked that. It smells really nice as well, and I love a good candle. I'm constantly burning them. And then she also got me, because I train literally like every day, I really wanted some new gym stuff. So I'd heard about this great company, and I follow this amazing blogger online. She's a fitness blogger called Sophie Ari. And I think it's Ari or Aris, I don't know, I'm probably like absolutely butchering her name. I'm sorry, I've got glitter all over me. But she's an amazing fitness blogger, and she uses Gymshark clothing, well, she wears Gymshark clothing all the time, and she looks incredible, and it just looks such good quality. Like when you actually move and you bend over and you're doing all these kind of like different activities or doing all these different like moves, it doesn't show your pants and give you that really awkward moment in the gym. So it also looked just super good quality, so I asked my mum for a bunch of stuff. Really annoyingly, they actually sold out in so much stuff, but I can kind of see why. So first of all, I got these leggings, and they're really like high-rise leggings, so they're like nice and, yeah, like high-waisted, super stretchy as well, but then they're just kind of really skinny, and obviously just the whole way down. But they've got this really lovely kind of detailing down the side. So I don't know if you can see very well, but there's kind of got holes down the side. So obviously it's very breathable, but also just looks kind of cute. So I quite like that. I will link everything because it has been my birthday. If I put it on right now, I'm probably going to look a bit chub in it. So let's just wait until I've lost a little bit of that birthday weight to be showing you guys any of this stuff. But anyway, then I thought with that, then I could then put this stuff on the top. So first of all, I asked for this kind of training bra. This is like a kind of purpley sort of mauvey sort of colour. And it's got the really nice Gymshark branding on the band underneath, which I really like with all of them. And then it's just the typical kind of racer back style to it. Really love that. And then also a matching, comes in the like really nicest packaging. So lovely. And then the matching crop top for it. Ah, how cute. So it's a long sleeve crop top, really nice breathable fabric, and I just love that. And again, has the same kind of branding on the bottom, the same kind of, I don't even know what you call that, strip. Let's go for a strip. But anyway, love that. And then pretty much the same sort of designs, but just different colours. I then went for a grey one. So this is grey and it's like purple. So again, same sort of racer sort of back, love that. That's the sports bra to go underneath, and then over the top is this one, which is like a little crop top. So again, exactly the same colours, and full sleeve. There were so many different colours on there that I really wanted. I could have literally bought everything or asked for everything. However, they've sold out of a lot of stuff, so it wouldn't surprise me if this stuff is now sold out. But I would try my best to link it, and honestly, hopefully they'll restock everything really soon because they do such nice things. And also it's quite relatively cheap for what it is, so it's really good quality, but it's amazing prices, so I loved that. Now I just need to get my butt into gear and start training. And then then the final thing that I got is so random. I just had to show you the box. This is how I'm getting so old. So I've basically redesigned my kitchen and I've gone for like a white and rose gold theme, and I found this amazing company called Tower who do basically everything that I love. So I saw, I think it was online, there's a girl called Scarlett London that I follow on Instagram. She's a total babe, and she has just moved into a new house, and she's gone for exactly the same theme as me, so I was like, brilliant. So I got this idea about this Tower company from her, and oh my gosh, I've been looking. They do loads of Groupon offers as well, so I've got so much stuff for really cheap, like my knife block set, which I'll show you guys, looks really cool, and it was like 18 quid. It's such a bargain. Honestly though, the knives are incredible, like they're so freaking sharp. So then I went ahead and I bought the salt and pepper pot, which not only light up, they're also like electronic, and they like grind the salt and pepper. Amazing. You just put batteries in them. And then I went ahead and got this, which is the microwave. Well, I asked for this. Oh, so cool. So this is the it's like a 20-litre one. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it's an 800-watt digital microwave, and it's just really cool. So it's the white gold and the rose one. I will show you this up and running, as in like in person in my kitchen, because I feel like it's the best way to show it. But I'm also going to get the rose gold and white bin, which is like a motion sensor one. So you like wave your hand over the top of it and it opens up. So it's super, super clean, sorry, and just lovely. So yeah, I'm going a bit homeware mad, and especially with the rose gold and white theme, but I really like it. Like my kettle's the same, it's just, and I've got the same toaster, which obviously I showed you guys in a what I got for Christmas video. I'm slowly building up this little collection, because eventually I want to move house, I want to move into my own house, and then, you know, have this rose gold and white theme going on. So I really hope you guys enjoyed what I got for my birthday video. When I get my present from my sister, which I'm so excited about, I will post that on Instagram, because I really cannot wait to show you guys, because I've done exactly the same for my mum and my sister, and I think they're such a good present, and they are just so cute. We're going to be like twinning, all three of us, tripleting, whatever that is. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling now because the light is going, and I'm going to go and have a gin. So I will see you guys when I look a little bit less tanned, and I'm probably stressed out to hell, not on one of my days off. And I'll see you guys in a few days' time in my next video. Bye!